For today's video, guys, we're gonna unbox My Melody and My Sweet Piano surprise box figures. So if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe and share this video if you like. So let's start. Let's open it. It has 6 surprise box in it. So cute. Look at the packaging. And these are the items that we're gonna get inside. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open this. Let's start. So our first box is this one. Let's see. So this is our second box. Inside this one. So cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh. As the characters that comes with that house. Yay! Okay, this is the third one. So what's inside? Oh my god, it's My Sweet Piano. Are down to our fourth box. Okay. I hope this one we get this, because we already have this, we have this, we have this. So 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's look what's inside. And it's oh my god, it's My Melody. Look at that, how pretty it is. So what we have on the fourth one is, what is it? Oh, ta-da! It's My Melody house. Red velvet. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So pretty. This is My Melody that comes along with it. This is the flag on top of the house, like that. I'm gonna show to you guys once I'm done unboxing this surprise blind boxes. We are down to our 5th box. Let's open. I hope we can get this or this, because we already have the 4. So let's see what our log will give us. Let's check. Oh yes! It's so cute. It's Cheese Mouse. Oh, pretty. Okay, so what we got here is this. Let's open it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't say anything but oh my gosh, because it's so cute. And it comes along with these 3 items. So cute. And this is the 6th box. Okay, so let's hope that we can get these ones, because that's the last item that we're missing. Okay, so I open it, guys, and please, let's get the last one. Yay! Soy milk full. Oh my god, I hope I pronounced it right, guys. But it's so cute. So this one. This is it. It's so cute. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna assemble everything and I'll show you after everything is set up. Okay, so guys, this is the setup. Super cute. Oh my god, look at the colors. It's so pretty. I love it. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. See you on my next vlog. God bless. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.